Alright, so I have a project here that I just finished up and I want to export. To do that, let's go to File, Export, Media. You can also just use the Control-M keyboard shortcut to open up the export settings on Windows and Command-M on Mac. Under Export Settings, make sure your format is set to H.264. And for the preset, just use one of these YouTube preset settings based on your sequence's resolution. I'm working with 1280 by 720 resolution, so I'm going to select the YouTube 720 preset. If you're not sure what your sequence resolution is, just look under Summary at the source where you'll see it. Under the Video tab, leave the width, height, frame rate field order, aspect, and TV standard alone. But make sure you check the Render at Maximum Depth setting. The encoding settings are also fine the way they are, just make sure the profile is set to high and level is at 4.2. However, if your footage is HDR, make sure you set the profile to high 10 and check Rec 2020 color primaries. Then check high dynamic range. But I'm just going to switch my profile back to high since this isn't HDR footage. For the bitrate setting, change the bitrate encoding to VBR2 paths. Increase the target bitrate and maximum bitrate to 32. This will help make sure that YouTube doesn't compress your video too much. Finally, check Use Maximum Render Quality. Okay, and those are all my settings. To save this as a preset, click the first button next to preset and give it a name. Now you can click the preset dropdown and select your preset whenever you want to export a video to YouTube. To finish up and save your video to your computer, just click export. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.